G'day DIYs, it's Chris O. How you going? I'm just screeding out to the door now with my mud. Done all my shower area. See where that line is? That's where the screen is. That's the size of the shower. Comes straight across here to that line. Nice big shower, beautiful. I always have my mud a little bit wetter. I love it like that. I never trowel finish. I believe in a natural finish which you get a better grip for glue and you're waterproof. Easy. The way tilers are taught is have your mud dry as, because it's easier. And tilers think they have to do that all the time, but I don't recommend this for a beginner, but experienced tilers make your mud a bit wetter. If it's too wet, it'll shrink and crack, but it's got to be like gravy to do that, and you don't have it that wet. But you drag it off nicely. Look at your bubble, see the bubble? Perfect. Perfection. Just got to get around this. But I reckon screeding, if you're in a smaller area and you've got heaps of angles and falls and that sort of thing, make your mud a little bit drier. But when you're pulling back like this, you don't need dry mud. And this sets with the bagged stuff. To pull this floor up, you've got to get one huge jackhammer. Like I was saying before in the, I just ran out of battery. I just replaced the battery, everyone. What I was saying before in the shower area, when you're learning to screed, just check it. And it should be nice and flat all the way. No humps and hollows. Then you look down at your level. See that? Because it's all laser. It's all been done off a laser. Easy peasy. Okay people, we'll catch up with you soon. Stay tuned. You will learn from Chris O. Stay tuned. See ya. Ciao.